Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy face mask slash scrub using all natural products. We're going to use grapefruit, lemon, aloe vera, brown sugar, and honey. Now this container is a black film container and we're going to keep this in the refrigerator. It's going to be a refrigerated face mask, so the lights from the refrigerator won't go through and mess up the components of the ingredients that we use. So now we're going to start with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, now we have our grapefruit all juiced up. We're going to use the pulp. Now we're going to use 2 teaspoons of the pulp. So now grapefruit is good for detoxifying and reducing redness and inflammation in the skin. This is also about the main ingredient in the scrub. I'm just trying to get the pulp, most of them. And now we're going to use our lemon. We're going to use a half teaspoon of lemon juice. Got some seeds in there. Now the lemon is good for evening out the skin tone. The brown sugar is going to be used for exfoliating the dead skin cells and unclogging the pores. Now for the aloe vera, this is also good for sun rays, so you could definitely use this in the summertime. And we're just going to use the leaf, and we're going to get 1/4 teaspoon of that aloe vera juice. This slimy stuff we're gonna use to incorporate. It's about 1/4, yep. If you get a little more in there, it's okay. The more the merrier, but not too much. Just gotta disconnect that. Okay. And now for the honey is going to be used for mostly giving you a natural glow. And we're going to also use 1/4 and to keep the moisture retention as well. And we're going to put another 2 tablespoons of brown sugar just to cap it off. Now we're going to stir the components. Now you will apply this after the shower. Once your pores are already steamed and hot, you will take this out of the refrigerator and apply it on your skin and keep it on there for at least 2 to 5 minutes. Wash it off and you're going to see a beautiful, bright, natural glow. Once you wash it off. You can already see a slight glow in my hand, but I'm gonna give you a nice demonstration. And you can put it in the refrigerator right after you make it. Let it sit up to 30 minutes should be good, and you should be perfectly well done right after this. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey guys, I just got out the shower not too long ago, and I'm going to demonstrate the face mask. Now, and just give it a little, after it's been in the refrigerator, it kind of separates, so you kind of gotta mix it up with your finger a little bit. Once you get it all evenly mixed, apply it to your face. In a nice little circular motion. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes now, and I'm gonna wash it off with warm water. Now you have a fresh glow face coming from earth and right out of your refrigerator. Also, subscribe to my cook channel and stay tuned for more DIYs.